Good afternoon, everyone. So yeah, it's July the 4th. A little bit late in making a video today, but that's okay. I got a question for you all. I'm confused. I don't understand. Let me show you this. Why do some people keep going to Best Buy? Just absolutely makes no sense. So I was just doing some price comparison. It's something I do every 6 months to check on competition. Um, so yeah, so your 3 just and this is an example. Your 3-year-old Dell Inspiron laptop has a faulty hard drive. The hard drive's going bad. If you went to Geek Squad, even with their Total Tech membership, it's going to cost you about $704 with discounts. So, especially for the Sandusky store, because they don't do anything there themselves, they ship it all out to Geek City in Kentucky. Uh, they're going to charge you $64.96 for labor, and they're going to replace the hard drive at $64.99. That's on sale. They're going to do a data level 2 data recovery, which is $360 with the Total Tech membership. They're going to charge you $80 for a external hard drive. So the total cost is going to be, $569.94 with the membership. Without the membership, it's $704. I know, and people are willing to pay that instead of like coming to me. Look, I only charge you $100 for the labor, $65 for the hard drive. The data recovery is included in that because it's all automatic. I don't have to do anything other than a couple of clicks to get the process started. So it's click, 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 recover. Sometimes I got to do it twice. Sometimes I got to do it 3 times to get a successful copy to go through. But it's all part of the service. And then I take your data and I either put it onto the new hard drive so you have it. Most times, though, I'm going to do something that Best Buy doesn't do, and that's clone your hard drive, your dying hard drive, to your new one so you don't lose anything at all. And if it's successful, all of your usernames, all of your passwords, all of your files, all of it is there. You won't lose anything. What, $165 for all this? Takes me 2 days. If Geek Squad's got to ship it out to, what do they call that? Geek Squad City in Kentucky? Yeah, the average turnaround time is 1 to 2 weeks on that. I'm just saying, let me save you some money. Bring your stuff to me. The address is there, phone number is there, website's there. Come see me. If you got questions, give me a call. Send me a message through the app that you're seeing this on. Of course, we've got Facebook, Insta, YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, Snapchat, MeWe. We belong to all of them. Just search for Computer Garage LLC. You'll find us. And yeah, this was just an example. Now, each Best Buy Geek Squad is going to do things a little bit different from what I understand, because I looked at the Toledo store and it was a little bit cheaper. But this is based out of our Sandusky store. So yeah, $569 to fix a 3-year-old Dell with a faulty hard drive. I can do it for $165, and you'll have it back usually the next day. Not always. Sometimes there's a complication, takes me 2 days. And if I do it right, you don't lose anything. All of your information is on the new hard drive. All your usernames and passwords for all of your Facebook and Insta and OnlyFans, whatever. It's all there. So, Grandma's super secret oatmeal baked cookie recipe is on your computer. You didn't lose it. So yeah, come see me. Give me a call. Show me what you got, what I need to fix for you. I bet you I can do it a lot cheaper than Best Buy Geek Squad. You guys have a great day. I'll talk to you later. Like I said, find us on all the social media. Like, share, and subscribe. It helps. Got to get those numbers up. You guys have a great day.